today I have a long division problem. Now we're going to divide this polynomial with this binomial using a process called long division. Now if you know how to perform this long division for this particular problem, I would recommend you to go ahead, pause this video at this point and try to solve it yourself so that you can check whether you got this question right or not in just minutes when I reveal the correct answer. Now, for those who just want to watch me solve this step by step, you can stay tuned because I'm going to get started right now. So let's get started. I have 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. So what I do first is I write what I am dividing the binomial with. So it's this trinomial or polynomial. So I'm going to go ahead and write it in a blank sheet of paper. 5x squared plus 3x minus 2, and write a big division sign like that. And then on the left side, I'm going to write my divisor, my binomial, x plus 1. Now in this section of my expression, I'm going to put an expression that when I multiply to x, which is the highest term in the binomial, gives me 5x squared. So if I multiply something to x, I'll get 5x squared. And what is that number? Well, it's 4x, right? Because x times 4x will give me, oh, actually 5x, sorry. What was I thinking? X times 5x will give me 5x squared, right? So 5x will go into that box, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply x plus 1 with 5x and write it right here. It's going to be a binomial, and it'll look something like this. 5x times x, which is 5x squared, and then 5x times 1, which will equal 5x. And then I'm going to draw this bar to subtract, and conveniently I can get rid of 5x, but unfortunately I am left with negative 2x. So I wasn't able to completely get rid of the x term, and also do not forget this negative 2. Now from here, what we are going to do is we are going to come up with another expression right here that when I multiply x to this number, I get negative 2x. So I'm only considering the highest term in both expressions. So what do I have to multiply to x in order to get negative 2x? Well, the answer is easy. It's negative 2. So I'm going to go ahead and write negative 2 and write what I get if I multiply x plus 1 with negative 2. So negative 2 times x will give me negative 2x, and negative 2 times positive 1 will give me negative 2. And if I subtract those expressions, I can conveniently get rid of both terms and come up with 0. So for the answer of this problem, it's gonna be this pink expression combined together, 5x minus 2. And since there is no remainder, I don't have to do anything to this binomial answer. This will be my final answer. So I'm gonna box it like that and give it a check mark. Now, if you got this question, that's great. Even if you didn't, don't worry, just review this video to help you get familiarized with the process called long division. Okay, I hope this video helped, and I'm gonna come back with more helpful videos later on, so please consider subscribing and also like this video for support. Thank you.